Alright guys, welcome back to Hendrickson Ridge. Got a lot of stuff to do today. I'm going to be blowing out the garage, running crates around. I got crates I got to fill with firewood, so I'll be moving them back and forth around the yard. And then I got to run some cords out to a water bucket that I have out there for the wildlife and deer, which is frozen solid. So I bought a heater for it, and I'm going to run some extension cords out there. And there's a bunch of odd and end stuff to do today, so hang in there and see what we can get done. Yeah, stick around to the end. I'm going to put some trail cam footage on the animals using the drinking bucket that I have out there. So stick around, check it out. Thanks. That way all I gotta do is move it around or put it where I want later. I don't want it laying on the ground, that's for sure. Alright, and now she's full. Let's see if the tractor will lift it before I put the cover on it, because it's all fresh oak, pretty heavy. Put her over there, store it for next year. Nice oak wood. Going on here. I think I'm up on the edge. Let's boom. We got this one, this hose thawed out. Get some water in there. There we go. All right. Yeah, most people don't realize how much the wildlife need water when everything is frozen solid. We'll put a de-icer in this. Run an extension cord out here, even though it's about 300 feet. So fill it the rest of the way up. Be pretty hard for the animals to drink that thing. Uh-oh. Big chunk of ice out of here. Made it. Made it. I could use a smaller extension cord. All right, guys, so that wraps it up for this film. I'm going to be making plenty of other content. I got some robin bird boxes that I want to build before spring. I have a cabinet for a little cabinet for a electric fryer that I just got that's too big for a kitchen cabinet, so I'm going to build a special cabinet for that. So yeah, if you're not subscribed and you enjoy this kind of stuff, subscribe. And I appreciate you guys being here, and I'll see you soon. Thanks again.